we move on to the goals section within Asanify. As you can see, the moment someone goes to the goals tab, they can see their own goals, they can see the team goals, department goals, and company goals. So for a single goal, it has two separate components. One is the objective, which is typically a qualitative objective that is defining the goal. Within that, you'll have three or more, typically the recommended number is 3, key results, which is typically a quantitative value, which rolls up to the overall goal achievement percentage. So for example, if I'm driving up hiring, if that is what I want to do, then I will add individual quantitative key results, which can be like hiring some X to Y engineers, some tech interns, some sales representatives, and so on. You'll also be able to see the timeline of whatever changes have been made to this specific goal and to each of the key results, who has created, what is the time, and so on. What key result is, as I mentioned, is more of a quantitative measure that will define the specific region in which the goal is moving towards. Now, for example, if you want to hire 3 specific sales representatives, at any point of time in a manner of continuous performance management, an employee can update and keep themselves as well as the management updated, that whether the goal is on track, off track, are you increasing towards the achievement at any point of time, do you want to fill an absolute number, and if the target is 3, what is the current achievement percentage, and so on, and any other notes which are also optional. Once you update it, the overall goal percentage may change depending on what has been the update, right? So that constitutes our goals and key results template. What happens is, on a continuous basis, you can continue measuring your goals, and you can always have a quick dashboard of yours and your company level goals. And I think the creation of a goal, as I mentioned, you can just give the goal name, description, the start date, end date, who are the goal owners, what is the type, and it's completely flexible and customizable. Typically a recommended goal type can either be individual, team, department, or company, which can then be cascaded down or up. A goal visibility is someone in some cases an employee may want to keep a goal for themselves and not make either the goal or the individual achievements public, so that these are more for individual management. So once you create the goal, as I mentioned, everything is visible. One interesting thing is, as part of the goals, we can also create tasks. Like in Asanify, there is an entire tasks module. You can also put a goal completion dependent on the completion of a task. So it can either be a quantitative key result or a task. So let me in fact show you what a key result looks like. So if you're adding a new key result, as I mentioned, you can of course define any qualitative or quantitative way, but it can be of type pure number, or it can be a binary key result or a target. It can be a monetary value, it can be a single task, so that a task is either complete or incomplete. You can define a goal completion like that, right? So this is how a key result can be added.